Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today in this video we're going to be talking about how to save WhatsApp voice notes that have been posted on WhatsApp status. So WhatsApp just released this new feature where you can post voice notes on your WhatsApp status, and basically there is no way for you to save this unless you screen record your screen. And this is not actually ideal because when you screen record your screen, then the background noises around you will also reflect on the recorded screen, so the voice note is not going to be very clear and smooth. And I found a method for you guys to do this, and basically this is just part one of this video because I'm going to be looking for newer methods to do this, and then I'm going to be uploading it on my channel. So if you want to know when these videos are uploaded, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So you can see right here, WhatsApp now lets its users to upload voice notes on their status, and you can see that right there. So now I'm just going to be doing a demonstration of saving a voice note on WhatsApp status so that you guys can know how to do it. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Play Store, and then you're going to download an application called the internal audio recorder. You can see right here, internal audio screen recorder. I'm going to be putting the link to this application in the comment section of this video and also in the description, so you guys can download it directly from there. Now after giving the app permissions, you can just open the application. And now when you have opened the application, you're gonna see this blue icon right here. You can see this right here. This blue icon is gonna appear on your screen. Now when you see that blue icon, all you have to do is you're just gonna tap on the blue icon, and then you can see a home button right here. You can see a home button right here. You can see a audio record button, and you can also see a video record button. Now I'm just going to be canceling that right now, and now we're going to be going to WhatsApp to record an audio. Now I'm going to be going to my Yo WhatsApp, not my normal WhatsApp. So you can see my Yo WhatsApp right here, and then I'm going to be going to status update, and then I'm just going to go to someone that's posted a voice note. Like I see this right here, this person posted a voice note standard. So now I'm just going to tap on standard WhatsApp. So now I'm on standard voice note, and then I'm just going to tap on the status right here, and then I'm going to hold it to stop the voice note from playing. Then I'm going to tap on that blue icon right there, and then I'm going to tap on the record button, and you can see that that's about to record. And then when it starts recording, you can see that it is saving the voice. Now when it's done, you're just going to cancel the recording, and then you're going to press save, and then now you can see your audio has been saved. Now you can just go to the application, and then I'm just going to be scrolling down right now to find the application. Now you're just going to open the application, and then once you're in the application, you're just going to come to this icon right here for audio, and then I'm just going to tap on the audio button, and then you can see that the recording has been saved. You can see right here, this is 9:49 a.m. You can see right here, February 23rd, 9:49 a.m. So guys, that's how you can save voice notes that have been sent to WhatsApp statuses. And like I said before, this is just the part one of the video, so make sure you subscribe and make sure you also click on the bell icon to get notifications to know whenever I find a new method for this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.